today let's start with chapter number 7, means of transport. So in this chapter, I will tell you about transportation. We move from one place to another. Was what happened in the ancient time, we used to move by foot. But now we have different means of transport when you have to move from one place to another. We have land transport, water transport and air transport. So children, how do you know, how do you go to school and how do you visit your friends to go nearby market? आपको बताना कैसे जाते हैं. So we use different means of transport like two-wheeler, four-wheeler, buses, trains and aeroplane. So we cannot use the same means of transport to go to all places. They depend upon the distance. आपको कितना distance travel करना और कितना आपको money spend करना, उस पे depend करता है. So there is a difference when places to go and means of travel. When you have to go to school and nearby your place, so bicycle, bus, car, scooter you can use. Neighboring city, bus, car, scooter, train. And if you want to go far off places, जैसे कोलकाता चेन्नई, तो आप ट्रेन या एरोप्लेन से जाएंगे. अनदर कंट्री एरोप्लेन और शिप का यूज करें. राइट. These are the different means of transport that we use. Next is kinds of means of transport. First is land transport. Means of transport which are used to travel on land. In cities, land transports run on Pakka road. If we talk about rural areas, they run on Kachan. They are another mode of land transport, but it does not run on road. It runs on rails. What it is? It is freight. Road and rail transport, they are the most commonly used modes transportation. And they're the most common transportation like bicycle, scooter, motorcycle, and car, buses, and three-wheelers. They all are the different modes of road transport. So if we talk about railways, they are the veins of our country. They connect almost all the major towns and cities. They are used for traveling long distance. In busy cities, Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai, there are the trains that move in local. और underground railways भी है जिन्हें हम मेट्रो कहते हैं, right, which runs in Kolkata, Delhi and Mumbai. वो लैंड भी रन करती है और ओवर ब्रिजेस में भी रन करती है. टू ट्रैवल शॉर्ट डिस्टेंसेस, कार्स, बसेस आर द बेस्ट सूटेड. आपको शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस आप स्कूटर या फिर बाइसाइकिल से भी कवर कर सकते. Water transport, boat and steamer, they carry people across the rivers and lakes. They are not very big. They travel only for short distance. Ships, they are used to travel to ocean and seas. They are big in size. They are generally used to transport goods. जब आपको transport करना है goods को from one country to another, सबसे बड़ी disadvantage ये है कि बहुत slow होती है, right? Some modern modes of water transport are ferries, ठीक है, cruisers, and hovercraft. They even run on land. ये run land पे भी run करते हैं. एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट सबसे फास्टेस्ट और मॉडर्न मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट, ठीक है. हेलीकॉप्टर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट. इट टेक्स ऑफ एंड लैंड वर्टिकली इन वेरी लिटिल स्पेस. इट डज नॉट नीड लॉन्ग रनवे. जैसे एरोप्लेन को बहुत लंबा रनवे चाहिए था ना, इसको नीड नहीं थी, राइट. इट इज यूज टू रेस्क्यू पीपल और टू टेक देम टू द विच कैन नॉट बी रीच बाय लैंड और सी, ठीक है. कोई डिजास्टर वगैरह गया उस टाइम भी हम हेलीकॉप्टर का यूज करें. रोपवेज आर ऑपरेटेड इन टूरिस्ट प्लेसेस लाइक गुलमर्ग, मसूरी एंड हरिद्वार, ठीक है. Planes takes off from one country to another in very little time. Air transport has disadvantage. क्या है disadvantage? ये कि बहुत ज़्यादा expensive है. Everyone cannot afford it. Now animals for transporting you. To carry goods from one place to another by pulling carts, we use different animals. In thick forest, elephant carry heavy logs. Ponies and mules are used in hills. Camels in desert area. These are the different animals that we use for transportation of different goods, right? Hope you understood. Now we have completed this chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.